We'll start from our grade control screen. To get to our tuning screen, we're gonna press and hold our first soft key, then our fourth soft key, and that will take us to our hidden tuning menu. We're gonna arrow down using the second soft key to our calibration wave. We're gonna select that once it's flashing with our OK button and third soft key. We're gonna use our second soft key to arrow over to the middle section, the icon for SLS. We're gonna choose that by third soft key and OK. It's gonna give us a sequence of events that we need to do to put the machine in to perform the SLS calibration. First is temperature of the machine should be over, hydraulic temperature should be over 100 to 150 degrees. Next, the boom needs to be in 100%. Next, our head elevation needs to be 100% up. Our stabilizers will be 100% down. And our slope of our machine will be at 0% using our slope meter. The engine RPMs will be raised to 100%, and then we will hit OK. It's going to ask us if we want to calibrate the SLS, and we do, so we're going to select the third soft key, which is OK, and that will automatically perform the SLS calibration. Once it's at 100%, the calibration is complete.